Hello and welcome back to another drone adventure. Today I'm in Carrickfergus, right here on the coast of Northern Ireland, and I have to say, this place was an absolute treat from the air. This castle has been standing here for more than 800 years, which is honestly wild. Built in the late 1100s by John de Courcy, Carrickfergus Castle has seen its fair share of action over the centuries. Look at where it's built, right on the edge of Belfast Lough, with views in every direction. And if you were trying to defend a coastline, this is a pretty good spot. And that seems to be exactly what the Seagulls think as well. They want to defend this for the next generation. There's something about castles from above that always make everything feel a little more cinematic, a little more dramatic. The thick stone walls, the towers, the position on the harbour, it all feels powerful, and from up in the air you get a totally different perspective. Even on a dark, cold winter's morning, it's very impressive. The shape of the castle, the water wrapped around it, the town sitting just behind it, it all comes together so well. Carrickfergus itself is one of the oldest towns in Ireland, and this castle has been at the centre of it all for centuries. So it's a huge part of the history of this place. And I'll be honest, this is exactly the kind of location drone footage was made for. For old stone fortresses, coastal views, harbours and open water. And perhaps I'll be here another day for a little bit of sunshine to see it in a different light. You really can't ask for much more. Carrickfergus Castle is a brilliant spot, historic, scenic, ridiculously photogenic from the sky. So if you're ever exploring Northern Ireland, this one is definitely worth adding to the list. And for now, I'll let the footage do the rest of the talking. Thanks for joining me on another drone adventure. I'll see you in the next one, somewhere around Ireland.
Thanks for watching Discussions with David.